After we have come in the Google Play Store, we have to just type Lichess Chess, and since this is already installed, it is showing the option of play. Okay, and when you will be loading it for the first time in your mobile phone, well, you will have to first and foremost install it, and then you can play. Now we will be moving forward for registration, how to make ourselves registered at Lichess Chess. So without any more wait, let's move on. What we should be doing is that we should look at this button over here. Okay, now this is for those who are operating from the mobile phone. We are looking at this button. I'm going to press that button over there, and then I'm going to go for this sign in. Okay, I'm going for the sign in. I've clicked on the sign in. Now what I will be doing is that since this is my registration for the first time, so I have to press over here on the register. I press the register, and yes, students, make sure that you are not making multiple accounts. Do not create multiple accounts. Mind you, when you are giving the email, this email should be a Gmail. Okay, you all have a Gmail, I'm sure. You have to give that email. Okay, now username. When it comes to username, what you will be doing, you will be making your own username, but the username should be something which is related to the school. Like I take the example of Aditya Raj 5. There is someone named Aditya Raj 5, so he will type as Aditya. These things will come, don't worry, but they will go away in a short while. Aditya Raj, see, it went away. 5, it has gone, because there is no one in Lichess Chess of the name Aditya Raj 5. This can happen that you are finding that in your name such red marks coming up, because this is a worldwide app. Okay, many players play over here. Many means many rated players, highly rated players play in this app at Lichess Chess. Over here you are going to type the email. I will put an email of my choice, and after that I'm going to put a password. This password, whatever password I give, I will have to remember it, or it's better that when you are setting this thing, you better just note it down somewhere. Well, what I will be doing is that as I'm also doing this registration, I will be making some name which is as you can see, Rajoshri Chess. Well, it looks like there is already someone of this name, so I will have to change this name. I cannot keep Rajoshri Chess, so I will write as since there is already someone as Rajoshri Chess in Lichess, since this is worldwide, so I have to put some other name. So I am writing Rajoshri Sir. See, there is no one else as Rajoshri Sir. Rajoshri Sir Chess. There is no one else as Rajoshri Sir Chess, so it is accepting. So don't get nervous that why is it when you are typing your name it is showing certain red marks. This is because it may be that already someone of the same name exists. Now when I will be going for registration, I will be putting my email and my password. The password won't be of the email. The email has a password of its own. We will not use that password. We will make another different password. Remember, the password which is there in our Gmail, we should not put that password over here. We will make another password of your choice. Okay, you will make another password of your choice, totally your choice. Okay, now as I move on now, see, what I have done is that I have just completed that process, and now it is instructing me to check my email. So I will be going to check my email, the very same email ID which I had put over here. So I'm going to check my email right now. See, when I have come over here, I can see that in my inbox a message has already arrived. This is just to confirm that whoever is trying to create an account, that person really exists. This link that I see over here, I'm just going to press that and then see what happens. Now I'm ready to go. I'm now signed in and I can play as much as I want, but make sure, students, that this does not become an addiction. You should restrict yourself while you are playing chess. Okay, so our journey to chess now begins.